Welcome back guys in this another lecture of digital system design lab session using Multisim. So we are done with our basic logic gates verification operation. In today's lecture we are going to see the operation of half adder. So half adder has got two inputs and it has got two outputs known as sum and carry. So sum is generated if any input is high and carry is generated if both inputs are high. The basic Boolean equation goes like this, that for sum it is A XOR B and for carry it is A dot B. So we are going to need these two gates, that is XOR and AND gate, and we are going to need 0 and 1 for these two things. So let's click place component. I need one AND gate. Let me type it here. In the previous lectures you saw how to get these gates. So I am getting this AND gate and then I need this XOR gate. Again two input. Okay, so this is our XOR gate and AND gate. Then I need sum and carry. To show sum and carry I will be needing the probe. So let me click on this indicators and I need two probes. So let me take this and again. Okay, and one more thing I need, inputs. So I'll be clicking on this sources, digital sources, interactive digital constants 1 and 2. That's it. Now let's make the connections here. So let me just drag and rearrange these things. Okay, so I need one input here like this and then another input here like this. Okay, and I need some output. So this probe will display the output for sum and this will display the output for carry. Okay, and then I need A and B for AND gate inputs as well. So this is how we can create our half adder. Basically it looks like this only, and let's verify the operation. Okay, so let me just click it to 0 0 before starting the simulation. Now click on this. Okay, so now both are 0. So sum is 0 and carry is 0. Both these probes are off. If I change one input to 1, now this is 0 and 1, sum is 1. So this is XOR, you can see here, sum is 1, this probe has lightened up, but carry is still 0. Similarly, we can verify for 1 0, again 1 0, this probe has lightened up, that is the sum output, but carry is still off because carry is 0. Now for both inputs 1, sum will be 0, so this probe will turn off, and carry will be 1, so this probe has to turn on. Let's verify this, and you can see that truth table has been verified here. So this is how you can create half adder using Multisim and verify its logical operation. That's it for this lecture, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.